It was about 3 years ago, maybe 4. I was at a conference. I got to see you talk about the why. And in that, you talked about a groom who did something for his bride that made me tear up when you played that video. And I thought to myself, I want that. I want to be able to do that. And like I said, it's 3 or 4 years ago, and I did other things trying to figure out how to do that. And I had some good moments at weddings, but it was never what I saw in that video. And I finally said, I need to get into your mind. I need to be in the presence of what created that. I needed to get a road to where I could do that. And I'm so thankful that I finally did it, that I finally got to be in this class, to see how your mind works and the care and the love that you have for every single client, and how you strive to make every single moment matter.